We will be having a small presentation on, I'm not going to talk about much on about Amman. I'll be going to talk about more on the technologies. Okay, this is going to be our presentation flow. See, today, the asphalt industry have gone for a paradigm shift. In 1950s, their requirement was something different. In 2020s and 2025, in next 4 or 5 years, you are going to have a huge shift in the technologies. Production efficiency. Today, how much is the plant production per hour? What is the fuel consumption per ton? All those things have become a matter to us today. And environmental friendliness. Today, the road construction asphalt plants should not pollute anything. Whatever the resources available, we should preserve those resources. For that also we need to have a technology. Quality of asphalt. Whatever the road is done, that should be working for 15 years without any resurfacing work or without doing any repair work. That kind of requirements have come up. Warm mix asphalt. This has become a very big requirement. Today the fuel cost has gone up like anything. Now with that increasing fuel cost, we need to reduce the cost of road construction jobs. For that, this warm mix technology is available. Required reduction in carbon footprints. Today, the carbon footprints are really problematic for India. The pollution is the big problem. How we are going to reduce the carbon footprints? This also is a requirement from the industry. 100% recycling. Whatever the material is there in the existing road, how you can reuse it for 100%. That is the technology requirement. With all these things, now the key requirements from the customer point of view, one is the long life of the equipment. Second is no rutting on the roads, whatever the thing is constructed. Resist for cold and hot. There should not be any deformation on the roads due to hot or cold climates. And visibility, water drain, easy to lay. That's what is very important. Today, the road construction laying job is a tedious job, which we need to have a simplified methods. Automated machines are required. Those things and all is the requirement of the customers now. Skid resistance, remote management. Today, the contractor is sitting somewhere around 300, 400 kilometers away from the project site. What is happening on the project? He should be in position to do a remote management. This is the technology which everyone is expecting. Asphalt plant. It is 100% automated. There is no manual intervention of an operator or anything is required. You can put the plant in the pilot mode. The plant will be operating automatically. Apart from that, internet-based control. In case of during the COVID time, the road construction was in full swing, where the travel restrictions and all these things were there. We could able to do the troubleshooting by connecting the plant through internet, and we have done the troubleshooting online. This is the thing which has helped us a lot. Norms of an asphalt plant to 10 milligram in 1 cubic meter of air. At the moment in India, we are at 150 to 200 milligram per cubic meter of air. But in future, it is going to be very stringent on the pollution norms. Now the industry is required to produce the plants with 10 milligram per cubic meter of emissions. It is a purely environmental friendliness plant. This is the assembly baghouse which is creating the filtration of the entire pollutions. This makes 10 milligrams of emission out of the 1 cubic meter of air from the chimney. It is the air which is the dust and other things are coming. The coarse materials are segregated at the bottom itself. The fine dust will go through the filters, and then the filtered material fines are taken out, and only the clean air is going out. Here we have installed these plants in the airport site itself. We have done with Mumbai Airport, Bangalore Airport, Ahmedabad Airport recently. which is totally emissionless. And today, all of us, we are facing the big challenge, the waste management crisis. What we are facing is with the plastic. Now the technology is required to recycle the waste plastic. For that, we have equipped, all our plants are equipped, even our retrofits options that we are offering now. Even the bottles, now there is a challenge has come because of the COVID. Lot of bottles which were required to be recycled. Those things also we have a technology to do that. This is the arrangement what we have for doing this. This is qualifies for IRC code SP 098. And then the true quality definition of asphalt. What you require before laying is the homogeneous mix. The mixers of ours is the unique, which makes a 8, the material is flowing like a 8, and then getting it mixed in 12 seconds itself. Now, liquid additions, any additives which we need to add on the asphalt mix, the provision is available, which can be used for increasing the settling time of the asphalt mix, or reduce the settling time of asphalt mix. Stone matrix asphalt, all the plants we will be able to do the stone matrix asphalt. There are a lot of advantages of a stone matrix asphalt, where almost India has started doing it from 2002, 2005 onwards. Really it is giving a very good results. The roads which is used with the SMA has given a longer life. Yes, warm mix technology. This is what is very much important. When we are using a warm mix, we need to have the quality bitumen. Bitumen should not have any oil or fuel or anything in the mixing it. If you have a foam, this foam should be 1,600 times the volume is expanded. What we are adding is, along with the bitumen, just we are adding only 2% of water. Then doing the mixing and then making it as a foam. With the foam, the area covered of the bitumen and all these things is going to be very good. The binding of the aggregate is going to be very good. This technology being used everywhere in the world, which will minimize the fuel consumption by 1.5 liters of fuel per ton of production of asphalt mix, which means you can save 25% on the fuel cost. This is as per IRC code SP 101. And then, why do we do RAP? This is very much important. Whatever the reclaimed material from the road, which we have to mill it out and do it recycling. In-store recycling has become very costly because the equipments are being imported and all these things, which is working out to be very costly. That is the reason the contractors are not interested going for it. But we are working very closely with the contractors. We have come up with that technology. Instead of in-store, then we can go for a in-plant processing, which has given a very good quality, and it is proven technology all over the world. Now today, the cold mix foundation, which reduces the cost of material by 30%. Now with the 20 mm gravel sand and 8 mm of CMF with the bitumen, foam bitumen, and with emulsion, and then 13 centimeter of the asphalt layer which you put, that is giving the similar strength what we are doing with the conventional roads. This is the thing which is available. We can give a very good support for all the customers. Everybody in the world is using this technology. This can be implemented here in India also. One more advantage, whatever the mix comes out of the cold mix, that can be stored for 30 days. See, the hydraulic is this thing is adding of bitumen, foam bitumen. foam bitumen and adding of emulsion. These two processes which we have.
Just go
इसके आगे वाला और आगे चलो ये
here.
Yeah.
CMF is a hydraulic.
Yeah.
Cold mix foundation is a hydraulic.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Hydraulic in the sense it is going to be a mix of materials, cement treated and as well as liquid treated with that application, which is going to give you more binding. Yeah, granulated. Yeah, it's a pure wrap, sir. 90% of the wrap you can use on this process. Yeah. 90%. 10% is the sand, water, and then the emulsion or a bitumen, that is the action. It saves 30% of the material cost. The mix what has been come out of this plant, this can be stored for 30 days. It can be reused anytime. It is not going to get settled. That is the best advantage out of this. Whatever the thing is produced, you can store it for a week or 10 days or 50 days or up to 30 days. You can store this. Yes, sir. The same strength what you have with the conventional method of doing, the same strength you will have it with this cold mix.
It is proven already.
Main carriageway you can use it, sir. It is already done. One project has been done by Oriental Structures in Itawa road project. Yeah, IRC code also is there, sir. Yeah, it is available. Can you go to the next slide? It is going for qualifies for IRC code SP 100. Now we can go up to 90%, sir, which has been done already in all the countries. This is the concrete mix, job mix formulas which is recommended to get the same strength what we are doing with the conventional subbase and other things. Now hot mix recycling also is option available. Today up to 60% of the material you can use it as a wrap on that DBM mix. In other part of the world they are using 100% wrap. Now in India, first wrap of 60% is going to be introduced. The project site is in Agara. Yeah. It is in Bihar that project is coming up. That is going to be used in the service road. The entire mastermind is the control system. It is not only doing the work of the plant operation, it is taking care of ecology, it is taking care of the productivity, it is taking care of the maintenance. It has got an integrated maintenance module which help you out to do a proactive maintenance. You will not experience any plant breakdown. Before breakdown itself, it can give you the what is the part which is required to be replaced. Quality, whatever the mixed quality designs are there, 101% that mixed quality will be maintained. Information, all the information, day report, even up to 10 years you can save all the data in the system. Now the digitalization has become a very big requirement come up because all the customers who are sitting at different locations from the project sites, they need to see what is the thing happening. Machine to machine communication also is very much important, and parallelly we should know what is happening in the site. All the things can be put in a one control room. You can watch all the 100 machines, construction machines working in the project sites. In case of any optimization is required to be done, today the major challenge for the contractor is equipment utilization. Equipment utilization on the project sites are not moving more than 30 to 40%. Actually, we can utilize the equipment for 80 to 85% to speed up the road construction process. With this kind of technologies, digitalization, we will be able to achieve the desired results, which is proven all over the world, and especially Europe, they have made mandatory for this kind of automation. And this is the architecture for the future, which will be communicating from the clouds to all the systems where you want these information. The larger objective of our cooperation is collaborate to create a training frame for quality manpower. See, the technology is available. The technology, for using the technology, the people should get trained. The skill set has to be improved. That is the thing which we are looking like. And collaborate and create a talent pool for highly skilled workforce. And the vision of ours is Aman Academy is invested ahead of the curve to train both current and future operators and technicians and engineers and the project supervisors so as to create a trained and talent pool that they are ready for deployment. This is as a CSR activities, we are doing it for the operators and technicians we are creating. We are affiliated with the ESC. Similarly, with the government agencies also, we are giving a lot of training programs with the DGPR, Director General of Border Roads, Kerala PWD, Gujarat PWD, all those government agencies also we are giving a training. This is some of the photographs of the training what we have done for the DGPR, Director General of Border Roads, and then this is for the Gujarat Army departments. Right? The voice of customers, the Kerala PWD and Border Road organization has given their voice about our training programs. These are all the voice of customers, which we will be doing with the NHAI also to get similar kind of feedback. Improvement is the continuous process, which we will be doing it on daily basis. Thank you very much.